I'm gonna cut my hair. I cannot handle it for one more second. It is so thin. So I thought I would cut it here on camera today with you guys because I don't want to look like this anymore. I just want this shorter. Look how thin my hair is. Do you guys see this? It's so thin. It's getting thinner by the day, it feels like. So I think I'm just gonna chop like, I don't know, this much off today and see what happens. I'm really not that concerned about it. If it looks bad, I shall just carry on living my life. So here's the before. It's a cool thing about having thin hair. It's pretty easy. I'm sure all you hairstylists are watching this right now just like, no, stop. But you know what? I just simply don't care. Don't know what it is, don't care. Doesn't bother me. If it turns out bad, also doesn't bother me. And for crying out, Pete, it's cute. I used to cut my own hair when I was a scene kid back in the day. Nobody did what you wanted anyway. I wanted it short in the back and long in the front. I wanted that like super scene. And none of the hairstylists knew what I wanted, so you just started chopping. I cut my husband's hair right now anyway, and my kid's hair. It's just like, I don't know, it's just one of those things that's like, it's not the fun task that you want to go do. You know what I'm saying? It's not one of those things I enjoy going to do. It's not like a fun day for me to go get my hair cut. It's just like, oh my God, I'd rather do anything else. Also, when you have thin hair like me, there's something about a short haircut that just makes it look thicker. So, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Bangs are next. Just gonna cut them a little bit because they've grown out quite a bit. I'm just gonna try to follow the same trajectory that the gal who cut my hair did. And we'll style it after this, and I already like that. That's so cute. It's crazy because I was actually in the shower this morning. My hair was like falling out, and this has happened to me a few times. It's actually a pretty common phenomenon when you go through like a stressful event or something happens, or you can just like have it happen in general in life. It's called telogen effluvium, and it's like where you go through like periods of hair loss and your hair will get really, really thin. It's like what people commonly call like postpartum hair loss, or like it can happen like when my grandma died and we were having to like spend a bunch of time in hospice and stuff like that. I went through it as well. I specifically remember like literally losing so much hair. It was just like coming out in clumps. Same with postpartum. It's just when your body goes through a stressful event. It's like, you know what would make this better for you? Losing all your hair. But this morning I noticed in the shower that not only am I losing hair, my actual hair is like breaking. I don't know. I've been using this shampoo and conditioner. I'll show you. This stuff right here, it's called Purador. This one says reduces hair thinning. The other one I have is not this one. It's the apple cider vinegar one. That was sent to me. I did not go out and purchase that. That was sent, and I love the smell of it. I don't know. Maybe it has nothing to do with that shampoo, but my hair is like weak. It feels, let me see if I can find a piece of hair. When I was in the shower, yeah, like, okay. Can you see this one tiny strand of hair? I'm sure you can't, but it just like breaks. It's so weak. Almost like when you over protein your hair, that's what it feels like. It feels over proteinized or something. And maybe that shampoo has protein in it, and so it is making my hair more brittle, but I don't know, dude. It's not my favorite. Can't tell what the back looks like. Pretty sure I got it all. I have like literally no hair, so I'm pretty sure it's like, it's not like I have one long strand in the back, but let's see. She did like a wolf cut on me, and granted, I just kind of ruined it by cutting my hair short, but whatever. I can go back to her in a couple months and get my wolf cut all updated. Is that better? Or is it so much worse? Why does everything I say have to be damn British? Hey, hate how itchy hair makes you. Looking terrible. It's just unbelievable what my hair has become. What is this, like, thinness? This is what happens genetically. I got dealt a really rough card when it comes to hair thickness. Thanks, Mom. Will we alter, will you roll? I do. I'll keep down among you. Can I do it? I can't. Okay, let me get a mirror. Hang on. Oh, I know what to do. Oh, yeah, there's she be. That might be good enough for me. I don't know. Let's see. I'm so itchy. I'm gonna have to take a shower. All right, let's do a little styling and see if I did a good job or if I did the worst job ever. And either way, I couldn't care. Couldn't be fucking arsed. Have a piece of hair or something in my eye. I feel better. I feel like less pulled down when my hair is long. Because my hair is so thin, it just, all I do is want to just put it up, put a hat on, get it out of my face. And when I start wearing hats every day is when I know I need to cut my hair. So I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I couldn't care less. And I like the way that it looks. And this was a fun video to make. I kind of love cutting my own hair. I'm also going to go do a PR unboxing because I am looking forward to seeing some of the new makeup that has come in the mail lately. I kind of have been setting it aside and saving it to do a video. Here's the finished hair. And I think it's pretty cute. I'll see you at my next video.